Hello, welcome to Alan Cooking. How are you doing today? Today we are making a sweet ginger chicken wings. And here we are, the ingredients we're gonna use. 1 kilograms of chicken wing, 40 grams of ginger, 4 stalks green onion, 3 tablespoons of honey, and all ingredients in the video. We will start by cutting slits into the chicken wings. This will allow the marinade to penetrate this chicken even better. For the marinade, we will marinate the wings with light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, ground white pepper, salt, and then I cut the green onion first, and then next I grated the ginger, and the next step I put the green onion on the chicken wings, and also the grated ginger, give everything a good mix, cover it, and set the side in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Or you can marinate this overnight, that would be even better. To cook them, put the pan over the medium heat and add your chicken wing. You want to brown both sides of the chicken wing. When the bottom side is brown, turn it over and brown the other side. When your last chicken wings is brown, put all your chicken wings back into the pan. To the remaining marinade, add 100 liters of water. Pour it into the pan. Then add in your honey. Bring all this to a boil, then lower heat to the simmer. Cover and let it simmer till the wings are cooked. And the gravy has thickened and is sticky. After 10 minutes, if you still have a lot of gravy, leave it in your pan. Continue to cook it. And cover it till you get a thick and sticky gravy. This is a sweet ginger chicken wings. And now the dish is done. Smell really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye and see you in the next video.